Okay, number 4, it's summertime. You're analyzing the school year. What worked? What didn't work? What are you going to change? We just kind of talked about that. But an important part of your summer, analyzing that past school year, is building the calendar for the next year. Which events and which programs in your school fit in the right spot? We have an opportunity every year to kind of change when and how we're doing things. Here's our paper calendar in Port Jervis. Well, maybe, the superintendent's conference day in February is not a good time. We've moved that around a little bit. Well, you know what day this is in February? It's the day after the Super Bowl. You know what people are the day after the Super Bowl? Tired. It also gives the kids a chance to stay up and watch the game, right? That next day after the Super Bowl is a tough day. Our superintendent moved the conference day. We have coffee that morning, we relax, right? I'm looking at how did that day go? Oh yeah, I like that. Our art teacher, they do a Super Bowl project, and the bowl, and the people bring soup, and then they have it. We sell the bowls. It's a fundraiser, all that kind of stuff. That day fits there. I'm going to look at that. Did the opening of the year go well? Are you opening before Labor Day? Are you opening after Labor Day? What are you doing there? How many days of PD are you having at the beginning of the year? These are all important parts of analyzing how did it work last year and what's better this year. Make the important thing the important thing.